In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy multiple items on Amazon by adding them to your cart, instead of using the Buy Now option. This approach will allow you to select the quantity of each item you need and proceed to checkout with ease. So, let's dive in and make your online shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. First things first, start by navigating to the Amazon website or opening the Amazon app on your device. Whether you're on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, the process will be similar. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top to find the first item you'd like to purchase. Enter the name or description of the item and hit Enter or tap the search icon. A list of results should appear, displaying various options and details about each item. When you find an item that matches what you're looking for, click or tap on it to open the product page. This is where you'll see crucial information such as descriptions, customer reviews, ratings, and more. Here's an important step. Instead of clicking the Buy Now button, which immediately takes you to checkout for just that one item, look for the Add to Cart button. Tap or click on this button to add the item to your shopping cart. Now, if you wish to buy more than one of the same item, you can adjust the quantity before adding it to your cart, or return to your cart later to modify the quantity there. Just look for the Quantity drop-down menu, often near the Add to Cart button, and select the desired number of items you wish to purchase. While you're on your shopping spree, feel free to repeat the search and add to cart process for each additional item you're interested in purchasing. This method is particularly handy if you have a substantial list, are shopping for a variety of things at once, or simply want to consolidate your purchases into one seamless checkout process. When you're ready to check out and complete your purchase, navigate to your shopping cart, typically represented by a cart icon somewhere on the page or app, often in the top corner. Click or tap on this icon and you'll see a list of all the items you've selected, along with the quantities for each. Take a moment to review your cart, ensuring everything is correctly listed. Once you're satisfied with your selections, select the Proceed to Checkout button. Amazon will guide you through the checkout process step by step. This includes confirming your shipping address, choosing a delivery method, and entering your payment details if you haven't already done so. Finally, when all details are ready and checked for accuracy, confirm your order to complete the purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to efficiently buy multiple items on Amazon by adding them to your cart and proceeding through checkout. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that your shopping experience is both enjoyable and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!